a 2 o'clock Stingray excursion. So I think we're going to take it slow this morning, get ready, maybe leave around 10 to go on the island. That way we're not overdoing it with swimming, beach, and then 2 tuckered out for the excursion at 2. It's just my daughter and I. This was my daughter's 3rd time on Castaway Cay, so I thought it'd be fun to try something different. I got her this awesome book on stingrays. I also brought her little stingray toy, which she took everywhere on this cruise. So she was so excited for this adventure. We paid $64 for an adult and $54 for a child, 5 to 9. And then we checked in, got our snorkeling gear, which was not great. And then we got a little safety briefing. And they say the stinger is not gone. And these are cousins of sharks, but they trim the stinger down.
So keep the food out of the water. If it drops in the water, it's okay. Just let it go. Let the fish take it. All right? Cool. Okay. Cameras, go.
Ready to snorkel? Well, first we're going to feed, then we snorkel. This is exciting. I've never done this before. We're doing it for the first time. Is that enough? Yeah, it's probably enough.
Actually, I want more.
You gotta push it down. Here, watch. Yeah. Okay, that. Oh, quick, blow it or the air comes out. There you go. Okay, that's probably good.
Okay.
All right. You are a professional.
It's so weird to have a ginormous big belly. Ginormous big belly.
I think, see that out there, that they're paddling with their legs? I think we should do that with Daddy next time. Last of the day. Here they are. Look at the fish. Can we squeeze in? Can we squeeze in on the end?
There's a bunch of fish.
Come here, baby.
Or if they swim up on my lap, we will not be feeding those things. We have to feed it for 2 weeks. And we do not reward them. They feed like the pool. Fish jello, this is their vitamins, shrimp, and squid.
Scared of the fish?
If you pull your hands away too fast, like if you get scared, the
Can
food
you
tends
listen to
come
him?
the top of the water and
Put your
misses
hands
the
here.
stingray's mouth completely. Everyone will be feeding at the exact same time and sharing Mickey targets. Any questions? Everyone shuffle over the tabs in order to try. Shuffle over, shuffle over. You can pet her as she goes by.
Stand here. What's wrong? Are you excited?
Her name is Julie.
Very cold. You know their names?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Put your hands out for the food.
Okay.
They all have unique markings all over their bodies.
Can I have some?
And then what do we do again? Sorry.
Come all the way up.
All the way up, land up to the edge.
Right.
Okay.
It's cold.
We put it down, and then what?
I'll show you again.
Okay, show me again.
What do we do? I got the shrimp.
He's gonna show us. Here she comes.
Stingray. It's a stingray.
Is it Julie?
That's Julie. That's Julie.
Okay, so you take your hands,
Uh-huh.
place it on top of the food, on top of the Mickey target.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, gosh.
When the stingray swims over your hands and get about to your second knuckle, you slide your hands away slowly, leaving the food.
Okay, slide the hand away slowly.
So if you see
I'll
them
tell you when.
If you see them swimming up and you pull your hands before they get over your hands, the food tends to float, then they'll swim underneath it and they won't be able to eat the food.
Okay, when I say go,
So
then
you're
you do it. Ready? Go.
That's too fast. See, there it goes swimming.
And then you can pet
This
her.
one here, her name is Hope.
I didn't get the pattern.
Okay, there'll be another one.
I didn't get the pattern.
You'll have another one coming up.
Hope feels amazing.
That was so
Oh, so cool. On the back, and they keep them short.
Yeah.
Okay. So put it down, and then when I say go, pull your hand away, okay? And then pet the top.
This feels wrong.
Feels wrong. Oh, look. They're like, let me at it. She's like, she's like a blue-gray.
Right there, this one here, her name is Sandy, and she is a known cheater.
She's a cheater?
Yeah.
We don't like cheaters.
No, we don't. We don't want to feed the cheetahs.
Okay.
But so if she comes up and spins around, then we won't reward that. We only reward her if she swims up and then swims straight around.
That's like you. I don't reward you when you cheat. With food. Oh, somebody touched me.
I don't know what I got. There's something below you. There's something below you.
There's a lot below you. There's shrimp about.
I just got touched.
Alright, who's this one? That's a big one.
A stingray just touched me.
Yeah, something touched my... Oh, it's behind us. Hi, Stingray.
Where you guys from?
Where are we from, Landon?
Pennsylvania.
She's too afraid just to remember.
I don't want to do this anymore. There's a stingray behind us. There's a stingray.
First Disney cruise?
Yep.
Yep.
Why isn't any stingray coming?
First one for you.
This is our sixth.
How long do we have to do this?
Land until they come up.
Yeah. This one here, my name is
Here we
Ella.
go. Ready? Go. Oh, it's Petter.
You pet her, I should
Petter.
do it right
Oh, not her eyes. Not her eyes.
You want to pet down
I
here?
didn't touch you.
Yeah, it's okay. You're okay. Feel her.
Oh.
Isn't that
This one here, she's
cool?
the second largest girl in the lagoon.
She's big.
Oh no, she's gonna touch me.
You're okay. You're okay.
Oh no, face little thing.
What does the stingray feel like?
Slimy.
Yeah, it's like slimy and
Oh, there's a big
bumpy. What is that?
The fish jello.
Fish jello. Don't eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, put it in and put your hand over. Okay, when I say go, pull it away. And then pet the stingray, but not near its eyes. At the front of its head.
Make sure everyone feed their last piece of food on this last stingray.
You're scared? You got this, girl. You've done it twice. Who's this person? This girl.
I'll see as soon as she gets up. She has a bit too much sand on her for me to recognize her from the bottom.
Oh, okay. What are some of the markings?
Right here.
Ready? Go. Oh, she's strong.
Yeah, so this one here, her name is Edward, Team Edward.
Edward?
So how I know her is she has a black circle right here on her.
That's
That's how we tell her apart from all the rest of the girls.
She's strong.
He almost got me in the eye.
I
She's
know.
one of our more hyperactive girls.
Is she?
You're so soft.
That is awesome.
Alrighty guys, that ends the feeding portion. It's now time to snorkel with the girls.
Okay.
Pet them while they're snorkeling. Just make sure to watch out for their eyes and their sparkles.
You can pet
There's
them.
the deeper side of the lagoon.
What do we do? What do we do?
Okay, let's get our snorkeling gear on. We'll snorkel. I'll show you. I got you, girl. Did you like that? You were so brave. I'm so proud of you.
Some water gets in.
Remember, breathe through your mouth. It's a little bit salty. Alright, I need to clear my mask. Good job, Lana. You're doing great. You're doing a great job. My mask got foggy. You want to clear yours? Let's blow you up more. Let's blow you up more, okay?
Yeah, mine's not even blown up a little bit.
Here, let's come out a little bit. Let me blow you up. Got it? Alright, let's see if we can get some fish. Mine isn't. My goggles are not fitting very well. Salty.
I'm going potty. You're literally going
Lana's peeing on me. I can't see anything. You know what? We come in August. I'm getting my own snorkeling gear. This won't suction to my face.
And this
Very salty. Very salty. Alright, you ready to try it again? Yeah? Alright. Hold on, let me get my mask on, then you can hold my hand. You got it? Ready? Let's go! That's cool. Yeah, it's like white. Yeah, it's sandy. Yeah, pretty. That's a fleet. Let's go there, and that's it. I don't know what that is. Look how far out we are. You okay? That's me. Are you ready to go in or do some more? Look! Look at that one! It's right in there.
Wait, there's under?
Yeah. Alright, why don't we go back in, baby?
Yeah.
You ready to go in? Oh, it is fun. I'm so proud of you. You're so brave. You had a little bit of fun, didn't you? You did something hard.
Okay, fine.
And you did it.
It was a lot.
It was a lot. I'm proud of you.
It's a lot of fun. But I say that we go back.
Alright, let's go back. That was fun.
What should we do?
What?
What do you want to do?
You want to go back on the boat? Ship?
What?
You want to get back on the cruise ship?
Maybe.
Or do you want to do more sand?
I say, there's a stingray below us.
There is? This is fun. I can't believe we fed Stingray. You were so brave. Jello and shrimp.
Huh?
Jello and shrimp.
I said one. I heard.
They're all good. They said some of them are pregnant.
You know that one that was really strong?
Yeah.
That one could have been pregnant.
Oh, maybe she was strong because she was pregnant?
And also, well, I was actually right over here.
Looking for food. Try it again?
As soon as
Float out. Okay. Don't go too far, okay?
the stingers are weird.
Yeah, just stay right here. I'm so proud. Good job, honey. Here's one right here. Here's a stingray. Oh, that's a big one. Wow. Video of underwater.
Let me just pee.
Lance.
Fan. Stop disturbing me while I'm peeing.
Stop disturbing. Maybe that'll attract stingrays.
Huh?
Maybe they like human little girl pee. Little girls, little
They're
girls.
like moving in the sand, so I'm making movement.
Oh, is that what they said?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
It's like
You're
movement.
like a stingray expert. Oh, look, they're paddle boarding. See, they're standing up on that paddle and canoeing. You're gonna be brave enough to pet it in the wild for that food? They say you can pet it, just don't get near its eyes. Yeah, do it, girl. That's good. You can pet it while you snorkel. You just walk up and gently pet it, but stay away from the eye. Yeah.
That is one. I'm just gonna follow.
Whoa! They want to be your friend. Oh, these are like the silver ones. Yeah. See them? Ugh, burping up banana ice cream. Are you burping up banana ice cream? Hi, Stingray. I don't have any shrimp, but can I pet you? Look.
Why are you burping up banana ice
I
cream?
don't know. It's gross. Like hours later, I can taste the banana ice. It's Look at all of them around you, Landon. They're all surrounding her. Why are they coming up like at the end? Say bye, Stingrays. Thanks for letting us hang.
Goodbye, majestic stingrays.
We'll miss them. Goodbye, Stingray Lagoon. We had so much fun.
Can we get a pet stingray?
No would be the answer to that.
Why not?
Because we're land lovers.
No.
We had a great time. I want to tell you, we had a great time at Stingrays. So proud of her. She did it. And then she conquered her fear. It was a little scary at first, but she loved it. Was last to leave, did not want to leave. But one thing I will say, we snorkeled like a month ago in Gwilla, and like the mask was great. The mask was terrible. It was loose. I couldn't get suction. I kept on getting fogged up and water inside. So that was a bit stressful. We're going to come back in August. She said she wants to do it again. So I think what I'm going to do is get some snorkeling stuff for at least she and I. My husband will probably be like, I don't want to take all that stuff. But great experience. I think you never know how your kid's going to react to an enormous stingray, like taking food from your hand. So, yeah, it's a risk because I think it was like $130 or so. But I'm glad we did it. It was a great, great day. We had a fantastic day.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.